My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site trendyxlab.com. Trendyxlab.com is a very misleading and deceptive site. It actually claims that it is some security alert recommended supposedly by Microsoft, but in reality it is a mistake to interact with these pop-ups. They are not related to Microsoft. These are totally fake alerts, and their purpose is to force you into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extension. If you do that, if you install such extensions, your browser may be hijacked and infected. So please be careful. Don't interact with these pop-ups by trendyxlab.com. If any third-party extensions were mistakenly added, you should undertake the measures and remove them. Access the menu of your browser. So, go to the menu, select More Tools, then Extensions. Once again, let's do it. Go to the menu, More Tools and Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, you should disable and delete them. Finally, I recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.